Hey, it's Eitan, welcome back to my channel. Today in the kitchen, I have Lital back with me.
Oh my God, how'd I get here?
How'd you get there? Who knows? You are back.
I'm back.
Yes, Lital was the first episode here on Food with Friends.
I was.
And you're back, and today I'm ready for chaos.
I'm ready for chaos too. Hopefully not, but we'll see.
Yes, today you're gonna be making me your best French onion soup.
Let's begin. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take this huge bowl of onions, which I think I have to cut all of them.
Yep.
Do you have goggles?
No, I can look.
Do you have sunglasses? Like eye protection is a must.
I found a pair of glasses.
Okay, perfect.
I don't think
you
it'll
don't
help
want
that
ones for
much.
you too? Oh my God, I cannot
No,
see
I'm
in
good.
this.
I think this will help a little bit.
I can't see. This is like not. Okay,
Wait,
wait.
really? Is it a strong prescription?
Hold on. I'm gonna.
Oh, wow.
Is it in big slices? Should I do big slices?
Yeah, that's good.
Is this wrong? I can't see it. I'm failing. No, actually I'm doing great. This is so much easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
As we're doing this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started with, we're gonna put the pan on, the stove. All right.
Okay.
Yay, perfect. We're just gonna do this really fast.
Yeah.
Do you remember this?
No. No, you shouldn't touch your eyes.
Really? It's like stinging my eye.
Did you like touch your eye with onion?
Ow.
It might ruin your makeup. Is that a problem?
What makeup? I'm just so happy to be back on Food with Friends. It's like Eitan, you're such a good friend, and I'm so happy that I could be like with an aspiring chef. It just makes me really good inside.
Okay, he's looking great.
Yeah, just open your eye. Oh, mother of the Lord.
This is just a random apron I found on the street. So after that mishap, you should also cut it with me. So how about you do that, and I'll continue with whatever this is.
What do you think it is?
This smells like wine.
Okay, yeah, that is true.
Okay. It's fine if the skin's on it. It's okay. Okay. I feel Italian. French onions! This looks so good!
Yeah. Oh my God, no, that's bad.
It
Bad
is?
idea. Yeah, very bad. Unsafe.
I've never made French onion soup before, but I think I know how, I think it's pretty easy.
Yeah,
Okay, I think this is enough.
Okay.
Do I put it in? I don't know where I'm going with this. I think it'll just add flavor.
How long do you think we should cook it for?
Okay, 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Then we have our bread. It's like a sword.
Careful with the fingers.
Baguette.
Little onion root. Adds texture, flavor, a little bit of dirt.
If I want to be a chef, I gotta do chef things.
Yes.
This is what they do. Okay, now we're gonna, do you have a pan?
I do have a pan.
Do you have butter?
Yeah.
No, like a pan.
Oh, sorry. I was doing the correct thing.
This beat is my recital. The pan's not hot. Okay, let's just leave this hanging.
How do we know when it's done?
3 minutes.
That's seconds.
3 minutes.
That's 1 minute.
2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Great.
All right, actually no, I think it's done. Take these off, salt.
I do have salt.
Now we don't want it to be hefty like the sea. We want it to be a little bit hefty like the sea. It's fine, salt never killed someone.
It actually has.
Onion is done, soup is done,
We got bowls?
baguette is done. I think we're done. Gosh, I'm so excited.
Same.
I've never made French onion soup, and I
It's
really
not a
think
ladle.
Sure.
I'm sure the French are thrilled with how this came out. Wow.
Here, give me yours.
Okay.
I should be careful, right? Can we add an ice cube in this? Should we make it look a little bit pretty?
Sure.
We're gonna add, wow,
Wow.
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 Wow, I think I actually did really well. Should we do
Lital's
Lital's French onion soup.
Maybe
Cheers.
Italian soup. Cheers.
Okay, I don't want to eat it. I really don't want to eat it.
Too bad.
It's fine. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm so happy to have made French onion soup with Chef Eitan Bernath.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. The onions are crunchy.
It tastes like trash. I'm sorry, it really tastes like trash.
That might be the first correct thing you've said today.
That was awful. I need bread. I'm warning you. I'm warning you now.
How are we putting this in terms of next to the penne alla vodka?
I would pay $1 trillion for the penne alla vodka over this.
Yeah, no, I agree.
All right. Oh man, the wine.
The cheese is running. As we
Good
go.
luck.
The wine smell is extremely strong. Yeah, that's me. Yes, to Lital.
Oh.
It tastes very much like white wine.
No, it tastes like trash.
I've never personally eaten trash, but I think I have now. I'm in for the second bite because I love you. Wow. Abrasive, I believe is the word we're looking for.
Bye.
Well, Lital, thank you for endowing your cooking abilities upon us.
Oh.
Hope you enjoyed watching that. If you did and want to learn how to actually make French onion soup, might I suggest pre-ordering my daily cookbook, Eitan Eats the World, available pre-order everywhere books are sold.
And at EitanEatsTheWorld.com.
On EitanEatsTheWorld.com. Back to cooking. We're back in business.
We're back in business.
We are. It's time to do this correctly. So I've been roasting away veggies over here. Whoa, that's a hot oven. But these have been roasting away. And you know how I gave you vegetable stock?
Yes.
So we're making it ourselves. Let's get this all in here now. See all that little brown bits?
I do.
That's flavor. Lital, do you want to turn the water for me? We need 10 cups, so we're gonna eyeball it. Count with
Should
me.
I eyeball it? 1,
2,
2, 3, 10. Okay.
great. We have our 10 cups of water. You know what these are?
Mushrooms. Yep, I got that right. Porcini.
Porcini. Now, do you know what this is?
Barbecue.
I'm gonna get you to try to pronounce the name.
W.
It's hard to pronounce.
It's the W one. I know
It is
that
the
one.
W one.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
What? Worcestershire. Wait,
Worcester-
stop. I know how to say it. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire
Nope.
sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
He's not even saying it right.
I am. Anyways, let's add that right in here. We're gonna add Parmesan rind right in there for some more flavor. We're gonna add the bottoms of our parsley. Gotta
Why?
juice up
Why?
everything. It'll add the flavor without
flavor.
burning the leaves.
Got it.
And then you already know what this is.
The bay leaf.
The bay leaves. And then now, do you want to get the little stir?
Yes.
We're gonna get this going on.
Should I use a
Yeah, you
different-
can use that. That's
Okay.
right. Just don't scrape the bottom. So, can I teach you how to cut an onion?
Yes.
So we're gonna do now a thin slice.
Thin slice.
So we're gonna cut off this end right here.
The butt.
Now we're gonna go to the butt, and you just want to kind of shave off the little top of the butt, like that, but without no, you're cutting off the whole butt. Just shave the butt. Yeah. In order to get the skin off, because we don't want skin, you're gonna place it butt side up, and then we're gonna cut it in half. Then you can very easily peel off the skin.
Ah.
Ooh, mine's moldy.
Yum.
2 beautifully peeled onions. We're just going to slice our onions. Just like that. Try to make them somewhat the same size.
Okay, wait. I'm actually doing this. Look.
You are.
Look,
at you.
look.
Slice, 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 slice. You give up?
Am I done? Am I not
We
done?
have a whole lot more onions.
No
So you can
way.
slide, you can move them here, and we're just gonna keep going.
Oh, wow. Slice. Wait, I forgot how to do it. Done.
Bam!
Butt is done.
Yep. There you go. Boy.
Bear claw. I'll do the garlic. I'll do the garlic.
Okay.
Just rub it all off. Oops.
Maybe try to get rid of all the skin before you chop it.
No.
I'm gonna start adding in our butter into our large pot. Now, while you're finishing up, I'm already gonna start adding in our onions because there's so many that it's gonna need to like
Hold on.
reduce. So let's add in our onions into our pot. What are you doing?
I don't know. I would never purposely try and make your dish a fail. If it's a fail, that's on you.
Well, that was a journey getting these onions done. We're going to start caramelizing. Now, caramelizing your onions takes, well, this many onions will take about an hour.
Okay, really?
Yeah?
So, Eitan, how was your day?
And while they're cooking, add in the Dijon mustard and mix it up. And
You've been stirring for an hour.
You want a little pro tip when you stir, try to move the food. We're now going to add our flour. This is called you know what it's called? A sangère.
Flouring, sangère.
Sangère, it's kind of like a roux's friend. Do you know what a roux is?
Yes,
Yes.
roux, like the blush.
A roux is when you mix fat with flour to thicken something. There's already fat in our onions, so the sangère is when you add flour to your veggies. We as well, while we were gone, we strained our stock. So we have this like beautiful, look at that beautiful stock.
It's gorgeous. That's my
you.
favorite color.
What?
Brown.
Now we're going to deglaze the pan with some white wine, a little fancy schmancy, and a little white wine vinegar.
vinegar.
So just stir that up, and we're not gonna bring this to a boil, and we're just gonna kind of cook this for about 2 minutes or so. You know, we don't wanna get drunk off our soup.
Oh,
Not
God
like
forbid.
Lital soup.
Wine, 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 wine. Onions and wine. Onions and wine. Onions and wine. We cook off the wine.
And now we're gonna pour in our stock. Stir that up. Now we're going to pour in our stock that we have made. Right into there. Only a little bit spilled. Wait, I actually spilled way less than I thought. Okay, it's like a whirlpool in there. 40 minutes.
How much time for the time?
About 40 minutes or so until it kind of reduces down, thickens a little bit. No, let's not spill.
Do we sit here for 20 minutes?
40.
So we need to talk for 40 minutes?
Soup is ready.
Soup is ready. Yadel.
Would you like to spoon some soup?
Absolute.
Wait, careful, careful. Whoa!
Eitan, you're not supposed to move.
There was one closer
Don't
to you and you
move,
chose
don't
the
move.
further one.
Don't move.
Place these onto our little sheet pan. Bread.
My bread.
Your bread.
I cut the bread.
Do you want to grate some cheese for me over here?
Sure.
A little switcheroo. So instead of going like your method, see what has those little teeth? Nope, grate on the other side.
Thank you.
Those teeth will help us cut it by just sawing it.
Got it.
Use
I
it
think
like a
I missed
saw.
that part. Oh,
Not
pretty
bad,
good.
yeah. So
Okay.
now usually you just put cheese on top of the bread, but I like to also put under the bread. Now we're gonna put a little bread on top. Give that those little sprinkle. I'm gonna do more cheese on
Is this time?
top. Yes, you can give a little sprinkle. Shall we broil it?
Yeah.
We're
Let's
done.
broil the time.
Do you wanna? It's the soup.
The soup.
And into the oven, and we're going to broil this until the cheese is bubbly and crispy and melted.
Yeah.
Melted.
Melted.
Do you wanna watch it with me?
Oh, absolutely. Wow.
You know, they say a watched cheese never broils.
I've never heard someone say that before.
Dun, 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 dun. How good does that look?
Wow. That really looks good. I did this so wrong. Okay, let's eat. I'm so excited. Hold on, you gotta wait for me. Oh, don't we dip this into...
Yeah, let's try to break it. They're a little crunchy. Oh, look at that cheese. Cheers.
That is so good.
Right? When you
That
make
is
it correctly.
so good. When you make it correctly, it's so good.
Right, it has a lot of flavor. It has deep flavor. The onions are nice and soft and caramelized. Oh, great.
Oh my God. I would have a 10 out of 10.
Well, if you want the recipe, you can find it on eitanbernath.com. What should they do?
Pre-order and go to EitanEatsTheWorld.com.
And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to like this video. Comment down below what is your favorite type of soup. And if you haven't already, be sure to turn the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. Look at you.